Let's start.
I did.
Hold your hand. Watch the ball. Watch the ball. Oh, almost. Try it again. There you go. Watch the ball. Oh. Watch. Well, come on. We don't need the Popeyes. Yeah, that's good. Okay. Put your hands out. Watch the ball. Oh, you gotta do it quicker, honey. Throw it to daddy. Throw it. Okay. Throw it to daddy. Woo! Good throw. Okay, here it comes. Honey, come on. We're videotaping for Grandma Dolly. Come on, you gotta catch the ball one time. One time you gotta catch it. Okay.
Ready, honey?
Come on. Okay. Arms out. Arms out. Catch. You gotta go quicker. Faster. Okay, give it to daddy. You gotta catch it one time. Come on. Come on. Chicky. Grandma Dolly's not gonna want to watch this if you don't want to play catch. Come on. Nikki. Get over there.
Come on, Nikki.
Get over there. Come on. Play catch. We're not playing with that. Come on. Okay. Over there. Over there. Nikki. You don't want to play anymore? Yeah. Okay, then go.
She's busy first.
Grandma Dolly's not going to watch this if you don't play. Okay, Grandma Dolly. She doesn't want to play no more. We're done. Forget it.
Okay, we'll do it later.
No more. You ready? Okay, catch it. Here it goes. Watch the ball.
Watch the ball.
Nikki.
And make sure you close your arms on time, honey.
Oh, we weren't ready. David? Yeah.